is written inside here, you have to do that. So, yeah, you gotta subscribe, and you also have to like. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami exploding envelope. So first, we fold this into a triangle, and then bring this one flap down so the tip of the triangle is down here. Next you gotta fold this corner till here and push that down, and then you gotta tuck this into a pocket that's just over inside here. And all you gotta do now is just fold the top. And that is your exploding envelope. It's supposed to explode, yeah. So now we're gonna do it again on this piece of paper. So let's begin. First, you fold this to the top corner, so you have a triangle. Since we finished doing that, you bring this down and fold these side bits here. And you don't fold this like that, you gotta tuck it into a pocket here. And then, all you gotta do now is close up the top. Yeah, that's it. So now our envelopes are ready, and whatever is written inside here, you have to do that. So, yeah, you gotta subscribe, and you also have to like. Bye.